The Air Jordan 6 Wash Denim stands out as one of the boldest lifestyle-driven AJ6 releases, blending classic Jordan DNA with fashion-forward, street-ready style. First released in December 2019, this pair introduced an unexpected twist to the iconic silhouette by using light and dark denim panels that created a naturally worn-in, layered look. The clean translucent outsole, warm brown leather tongue overlay, and sharp red lace lock added contrast that sneaker collectors still praise today. Inspired by Michael Jordan's German sports car, the AJ6 already carries a sleek, fast aesthetic, but the denim treatment pushed it ahead of its time, arriving just before denim sneakers started becoming mainstream. While the wash denim hasn't been scheduled for a re-release, you can still find pairs on resale marketplaces like StockX if you're looking for updated pricing and available sizes. A must-watch for sneaker fans who love unique Jordan drops.